Well, that was a little more involved than I thought it would be. Getting this little, what was broken off a piece of the induction system that clamps onto the turbo. So this is the clamp that was down there, a little tight, but also it was hard to get off. So I had to do a lot of finessing. It took a lot of sweat to pull that out. So hopefully getting the new piece from Forge Motorsports, nice silicone replacement, is going to be a much easier job. Comes with all the clamps. So stay tuned. Okay. Well, I hope that was the hardest part of the job. Getting that onto the turbo and getting the clamp tightened up was a little confining down there. I also replaced one of the vacuum hoses. Have to see where that goes. And now on to the other jobs. Hopefully just connecting all the rest of the hoses and seeing what we have after that.